Unlock the secret to instantly more emotional and captivating music by mastering the art of progressive chord progressions in FL Studio 20. We'll start by building a foundation of understanding. Think about the emotional weight of different chords. For this example, let's lay down a simple C major chord in the piano roll. Now, let's add a touch of sophistication and yearning. Introduce the seventh note to your chord. For our C major, this would be a B. This transforms it into a C maj 7, adding a lush, open quality. Progressive progressions often move away from expected resolutions instead of going directly to F. Let's try a G minor chord. This creates a sense of gentle tension and anticipation. From G minor, we can smoothly transition to a minor. Notice how the notes naturally flow into each other, creating a more connected and melodic feel between the chords. Finally, let's resolve this progression with a familiar, yet slightly altered, chord in F major chord. But let's add a suspended fourth or a seventh to give it that extra richness and a touch of forward momentum. Think of it as leading us back to a potential starting point or to explore new harmonic territory. The magic truly happens when you pair these progressions with the right sounds. Experiment with evolving pads, atmospheric synthesizers, or even delicate piano VSTs. Layering and subtle LFO movements on your VSTs can add immense depth and dynamism. Don't forget the power of mixing a touch of reverb to create space, a gentle EQ to carve out frequencies, and perhaps a subtle delay can elevate your chord progression from good to absolutely mesmerizing. Play around with these techniques, experiment with different chord voicings and inversions, and you'll be creating your own emotive and captivating sequences in no time.